This morning, that monster hurricane Idalia slamming into Florida, now a Category 4 hurricane.
Hello, I'm Julia Spence, the Deputy Director for the West Palm Beach VA Healthcare System and Incident Commander for the Emergency Response to Hurricane Idalia. As a healthcare system located in the Sunshine State, we are all well aware of preparation efforts for inclement weather. Just recently, we began our emergency response efforts. This included the deployment of emergency assets to aid in the evacuation of one of our sister sites, Bay Pines VA Healthcare System. A team of volunteer drivers arrived in Bay Pines late Monday evening, prepared and staged to support the transfer of veterans using 3 dual-use vehicles and 1 large patient shuttle. But we did not stop there. Our logistics team coordinated chartered transportation with capacity to transfer over 100 veterans between Bay Pines and Orlando VA Healthcare System for continuation of residential care. The response continues on. On August 29th, West Palm Beach VA Healthcare System accepted 30 veteran residents of the Community Living Center, aka CLC, in Bay Pines to transfer to our CLC, where we will continue to provide safe, high-quality care. Additionally, 3 of our very own registered nurses deployed to Tampa VA to assist in their activation of a 24-bed acute med-surg unit to provide continuation of care for veterans evacuated and displaced from Bay Pines. It is a profound honor and privilege to serve our veterans when they need us most. These remarkable efforts exemplify our unwavering commitment to our shared mission. I ask each one of you to join us in extending a warm welcome to our veteran guests from Bay Pines and the dedicated staff who have left their homes to continue our vital work. Let's also take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to the volunteers who selflessly deployed in support of this endeavor, and let us acknowledge our local teams who are delivering world-class care no matter the challenge.